Question says, a teacher is photocopying a test. The cost of 202 copies is £313. What is the cost of 1,212 copies? Okay, so let's just write this down. So 202 costs £303. And then how would you get from 202 to 1,212? What you would do is you would multiply by 6. So the same idea here, you would just multiply by 6. So then we can just do that. So we'll do a wee bit of working out. So 6 times 3 gives you 18, carry my 1. 6 times 1 is 6. And then add that 1, gives me the 7. And 6 times 3 gives me 18. So there we have it. It is 1,212 will cost £1,800 and £1,878.